Dude, look at the tip. Look at my tips, bro. We just got the Tomei Extreme catback on. Hi guys, I'm Camden. This is my 2014 Subaru BRZ, and we just put on Tomei equal length headers and a Tomei catback, and it sounds awesome. It's loud when you want it to be, it doesn't drone, and the install itself was super straightforward. It took me about an hour to do the headers. It took me about 2.5 hours to do the catback itself, and I am super happy with it. The exhaust itself is super light, and also the tips and the anodizing and the welds on all the exhaust parts, the headers and the catback are absolutely perfect. I could not have asked for a more perfect exhaust. Personally, I love it. I think it sounds great, and I appreciate Tomei a lot for sending us these parts to put on my car. And I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you.